Samsung is gearing up for a major tablet refresh, and if the latest leak is accurate, the Galaxy Tab S11 series could be one of the most exciting Android tablet launches of 2025. According to a detailed report from D-Labs, Samsung is preparing to unveil 3 new models: the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, the Galaxy Tab S11, and a surprising addition, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. With a confirmed press event scheduled for September 4th, just ahead of the IFA 2025 Tech Show in Berlin, here's everything we know so far about Samsung's upcoming tablet lineup. Fire Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, a true laptop alternative. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse device. Leaks suggest it will feature a massive 14.1-inch AMOLED display, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, and backed by an impressive 11,600 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. Key specs: 14.1-inch AMOLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, 13MP rear camera, 12MP front camera, quad speakers, 692G weight, €1,400 price tag, approximate $1,630. With Samsung's improved DeX software and support for a keyboard case, the Tab S11 Ultra is clearly designed to compete with laptops and high-end tablets like the iPad Pro. It's expected to be larger than the OnePlus Pad 3 and may drop the second front camera for a cleaner design. Mobile phone Galaxy Tab S11, balanced power and portability. For users who want premium features without the bulk, the Galaxy Tab S11 offers a more compact and affordable alternative. It's rumored to sport an 11-inch AMOLED screen, the same Dimensity 9400 processor, and similar camera and speaker specs as the Ultra model. Key specs: 11-inch AMOLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 9400, 13MP rear/12MP front cameras, 8,400 mAh battery, 482G weight, €900 starting price, approximate $1,048. Includes S Pen stylus. This model is ideal for casual users and students who want a high-performance tablet for media, productivity, and creativity without the Ultra's premium price tag. Lightbulb Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, budget-friendly but confusing? In a surprising twist, Samsung is reportedly skipping the Galaxy Tab S11 Plus and introducing a new Galaxy Tab S10 Lite instead. Despite its name, it's not part of the S11 family and seems to be a budget alternative to the Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Key specs: 10.9-inch display, Exynos 1380 processor, 8MP rear/5MP front cameras, 8,000 mAh battery, 25W charging, dual speakers, €400 starting price. While the price is lower than the Tab S10 FE, the use of an older processor and similar specs raises questions about its value. Samsung's decision to release a light version with minimal upgrades may confuse buyers, especially since the Tab S10 FE is often heavily discounted. Calendar Samsung's September 4th event, what to expect? Samsung has officially confirmed a press conference on September 4th, just before the IFA 2025 show kicks off in Berlin, September 5th to 9th. This timing strongly suggests that the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S11, and Galaxy Tab S10 Lite will be announced during this event. If Samsung follows its usual release pattern, we could see the tablets hit shelves by mid to late September.